When it comes to baking cake, it doesn't always go according to plan. One question you may ask yourself is, why is my cake dense? Fortunately, there are some simple steps you can follow to help ensure that your cake is a light, fluffy texture. Why is my cake dense? There are several points in the cake baking process that can lead to a dense texture. Number 1. Too much flour. Number 2. Baked for too long. Number 3. The ingredients weren't at room temperature. Number 4. The batter was overmixed. Number 5. Your baking powder and/or baking soda has expired. How to prevent your cake from becoming dense? Carefully measure out all your ingredients. For an even more accurate measurement, use a kitchen scale to weigh your ingredients. The additional flour can create a dense consistency that gives off a heavy, gummy consistency. Monitor how long it bakes for. Monitor your cake when baking and be sure to set a timer to avoid baking for too long. Use a toothpick to check if it is fully baked. When the toothpick comes out clean, your cake is fully baked and you can take it out of the oven. Overbaking is an easy way you can create a heavy texture that can be unpleasant to eat. Bring your ingredients to room temperature. Unless otherwise specified, you should bring all your cold ingredients to room temperature. Take your cold ingredients out of the fridge 30 minutes to an hour before you start baking. Ingredients that are too cold are difficult to mix together. This can create an undesirable texture in the batter, which can make for a heavy cake. In addition, cold ingredients can lead to curdling. Avoid overmixing. When adding the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, stop mixing once everything is fully incorporated. When you mix for too long, you break down the protein molecules and add too much air. Make sure all your ingredients are fresh. Baking soda and powder work as leavening agents, giving cakes a nice rise. If your baking soda or baking powder has expired, your cake likely won't rise. Be certain that you have been them properly stored. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.